Kamusta po? Are you guys excited? Grabe, bago magsimula yung gabing to, bago dumating yung araw na ito, before this event was conceptualized, we have debates. Anong araw, anong oras, saan? June 9, everybody say, June 9! Ganda ng araw, walang pumatak. Kung may papatak man, blessings yun. So, isipin nyo, positive or negative, positive pa rin. So, it's been a long journey. Nakita nyo naman yung mga videos natin. Let's start with this. A few weeks back when we did our Millionaires Circle Conference, Millionaires Conference sa Metro Tent, a lot of Millionaires Club members were there. Mag-ingay mga Millionaires member. They said it was timely. Said it was timing. Simply because daming nang babash. Ang daming nagsasabi, naku, 18 years na si AIM. So when we started that particular conference, pinakita yung strength ng company. Pinakita yung stability, pinakita yung innovation, pinakita yung expansion. Until today, you're seeing the expansion. Different parts of Africa, different parts of Papua New Guinea, Asia Pacific, Asia, Middle East. Mr. Jun Espinosa just went to Africa for 5 weeks. 5 African countries in 5 weeks. Grabe. So we are on a continuous expansion mode. And here in the Philippines, kitang-kita nyo yung innovation. We have OVI, we have Alpha East, we have Machin, we have Bully Burger, we have Fries. Ang dami pa natin bubuksang franchise concept. We will also open our investment division. So, there are so many things in the pipeline. At kahit ganito kadami yung tinatrabaho natin, may mga nang babash pa rin, saying, naku, ayan na. It's about to crumble. May mga nagsasabi pa na, 18 years na yan. Try nyo naman kami. So there are companies poaching leaders from our network. Gustong-gusto nilang kaibiganin kayo. Gustong-gusto nilang ma-recruit kayo sa company nila. Meron ba mga ganon? Nanonood sila, batiin natin. Hello po. Sana, bago kayo mang-bash, punuin nyo muna ang SM MOA. Ang dami nito eh. Ang dami. Sana bago kayo mang-bash, punuin nyo rin muna ang Philippine Arena. Siguro pag nagawa nyo na yan, wala pa rin karapatan mang-bash eh. Tama o tama? Bago kayo mag-bash, magpa-profit sharing muna kayo ng milyon-milyon. Bago kayo mag-bash, magpa-US trip at Europe tour naman muna kayo. Bago rin kayo mag-bash, siguro pabalik-balikin niyo yung mga tao nyo sa Hong Kong. So, tandang-tanda ko, sino ba yung HOF member natin? Si HOF John B. San Juan. Ayan. Tatabi ko siya sa airport. Papunta kami Hong Kong. Sabi sa akin ni John B. Doc, ilan tayong pupunta sa Hong Kong? Sabi ko, 700. Anong year yun, John B? Natatandaan mo ba? Nung time na yon, 3 eroplano ang punong-puno ng AIM Global members papunta sa Hong Kong. Bago kayo mang-bash, punuin nyo muna yung 3 eroplano papunta ng Hong Kong. Hello, kayo dyan. Bago kayo mang-bash, papuntahin nyo muna yung mga tao nyo, 300 sa Maldives. Diyos ko po, yung ibang company nagpunta sa Maldives, 30 sila, 30. Yung 10 doon, may-ari pa, tsaka graphics team. Nag-ooperate ng drone. Magpapunta muna sa Jeju Island ng 200. So many innovations. Gawa din muna ng payment gateway parang Dibo. Dami. Tumulong din muna kayo sa community like Alive Foundation every quarter, every year. So many to point on. Mag-event muna kayo 2, 3, 4 times a year. Nang pumupunin. Yung iba, walang ka-event-event na 4,000, 5,000, tapos ang lakas ng loob. Sasabihin ako, magsasara na yan. Ang lakas ng loob. Pag dinig namin yung company nila, gusto po pinakamarami, 100, 200, naka-selfie pa. Dami namin, punong-puno. Ilan? 200. Eh, empleyado pa lang natin yung sa 3rd floor, tsaka 4th floor. Pinagmamalaki na nila, empleyado pa lang natin. So there's so much to do, so much to accomplish, bago magkaroon ng karapatan na magsabing, nako, tignan niyo amin. Hay nako. With all of this happening, I'm proud to announce, Gene, let's start. The new products that we're launching within the next few months, within the next few weeks. Pakita natin. Ayan, new countries pala. Ano ba? New products, new countries. Ayan, new countries. New Zealand. Mag-ingay ang may prospects sa New Zealand. Officially, we are launching in South Africa. We have started the groundworks for Burundi and Malawi. And of course, one of our special projects, Senegal. Non-stop international expansion. Nagbubukas ng bansa. Guys, when we say opening countries, all of the legalities, taxation, product registration, logistics, sending off international trainers, international country managers, all of those stuff, the nitty-gritty. We're working on that. New products, Gene. We just launched a few weeks back, D Supreme. Ayan. Vitamin D3, 1,000 IU with MCT oil. Next. Very soon we'll be launching Kiopi Glow next month. Nagkakapi ka na, gumaganda ka pa. Okay ba yun? And this is part of the Glow series. Everybody say Glow series. Next, we're also launching Barley Glow. 3,000 milligrams of organic pure barley plus 3,000 milligrams of iGlow. Nagbabarley ka na, gumaganda ka pa. Yung iba, barley lang. Tayo may barley na, may glow pa. Next, we'll also be launching SOD Supreme, the new green elixir. May clinical study, proven to be 30 times better than barley. So abangan niyo yan. Next, of course, I'd like to remind, we have an ongoing promo. It's an 8-day promo from June 7 to 14. Buy 5, get 1 of our beverages. And buy 3, get 1 of our food supplement, cosmetics, and lifestyle products. Next. Gusto niyo ba mag-travel? Parang ayaw nyo na. Napapakita lang ng video ng Puerto Princesa sa Palawan. Simula na po yan. Magsusunod-sunod na ang travel ng PGI! Next, pakita natin may El Nido. So kung excited ka na, mag-ingay.
Yeah!
Next. Palawan naman, Coron ulit. Next. Ayan na, Balesin. Para ka nasa Europe. Next. Hong Kong ulit. Next. Ayan na. Mag-ingay ang mga may Sodexo dyan. This week. Everybody say this week. Ayan. Bukas mag-a-announce kung kailan sisimulan. Pero this week, may marirelease na Sodexo dyan. Next. Ayan na. Bibo Daily DRB. Nag-click ng Tuesday, next Tuesday. Nag-click ng Friday, next Friday. Ito, iba na. Kapag direct referral bonus ang pinag-usapan, may sariling boto ng direct referral. Pwede mong i-click and the following day, nasa Bibo mo na. Kailan magsisimula? June 10! Bukas na! Isipin mo, may Sodexo, may travel, Bibo Daily DRB, tapos lilingon ka pa sa kabila. Sayang! Next!